Son of veteran singer Sanchez among three men shot and succumbed to injuries in Bedward Gardens. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have confirmed that one of the three men shot dead in Bedward Gardens in St. Andrew in the early hours of Saturday morning is the son of popular entertainer Sanchez, whose given name is Kevin Anthony Jackson. Sanchez's son has been identified as Kevin Jackson, alias Kids Friday. The other deceased man has been identified as 24-year-old Rashid Edward, otherwise called Boppy, a Mason, and 18-year-old Keno Ray, otherwise called Brains, both of Bedward Gardens. The death of Sanchez's son came on the same day that he was burying his mother, Bridget Gordon Ivory, who passed away earlier last month in Canada at age 74 years old. When news of her death broke, it was reported that Sanchez, a veteran singer with an extensive catalog of gospel songs and who was very close to his mother, was too distraught to speak to the media. His mother was a devoted Christian. Reports are that at around 4:30 a.m., the police responded to a call of gunshots being fired in an area where three men were reportedly among a group playing dominoes. On the arrival of the police, they discovered three males with what appears to be gunshot wounds in the vicinity of a football field. They were assisted to the hospital where all three individuals succumbed to their injuries. No motive or arrests have been made in this latest homicide. The Major Investigation Division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force is probing the incident. As news spread of the incident and it was confirmed that one of the individuals that was taken out in Bedward Gardens was the son of the veteran singer, a number of individuals have took to social media just to offer their condolences. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.